Welcome to the Financial Works YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online as a content writer. Content writing is a great way to make money online because it's a skill that's in high demand. Businesses of all sizes need help creating high-quality content for their websites, blogs, and social media accounts. And the best part is, you don't need any formal training or experience to get started as a content writer. All you need is a good understanding of grammar and style, and the ability to write engaging and informative content. In this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to make money online as a content writer. I'll cover everything from finding clients to setting your rates to creating successful content. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step to becoming a successful content writer is to choose a niche. This means specializing in a particular industry or topic. For example, you could focus on writing content for the tech industry, the healthcare industry, or the fashion industry. Choosing a niche will help you to develop your expertise and attract clients who are looking for specific services. It will also make it easier for you to create content that is relevant and engaging to your target audience. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Once you've chosen a niche, the next step is to build your portfolio. This is where you'll showcase your content writing skills and experience. If you're new to content writing, you can start by creating your own blog or website and writing articles on topics that you're interested in. You can also volunteer to write content for friends, family, or local businesses. As you gain more experience, you can start to create case studies of successful content writing projects that you've worked on. These case studies will show potential clients the value that you can bring to their business. Step 3. Find clients. Once you have a portfolio of work, you can start to find clients. There are a number of ways to do this, including 1. Networking. Attend industry events and meetups to network with potential clients. 1. You can also reach out to businesses directly and offer your services. 2. Online job boards. There are a number of online job boards where you can find content writing jobs. 2. Some popular job boards include Upwork, Fiverr, and Indeed. 3. Social media. You can also use social media to find clients. 3. For example, you can create posts and videos that showcase your content writing skills and experience. 3. You can also join social media groups and forums where businesses are looking for content writers. Step 4. Set your rates. When you're first starting out as a content writer, it can be difficult to know how much to charge. However, it's important to set your rates at a level that is fair to both you and your clients. To determine your rates, consider your experience, skills, and the type of content that you're writing. You should also research what other content writers in your niche are charging. Step 5. Create successful content. Once you've found clients and set your rates, it's time to start creating successful content. Here are a few tips. 1. Write for your audience. When you're writing content, it's important to keep your target audience in mind. 1. What are their needs and interests? What kind of content do they want to read? 2. Be clear and concise. Get to the point quickly and avoid using jargon. 3. Write in a conversational tone. Your writing should be easy to read and understand. 4. Proofread your work carefully. Before you submit any content to your clients, be sure to proofread it carefully for errors in grammar and spelling. Step 6. Deliver on time and on budget. It's important to deliver your work on time and on budget. This means meeting your deadlines and providing your clients with the high-quality content that they're expecting. By following these tips, you can become a successful content writer and make money online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more educational content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below.